Walking down this lonely road, I feel the weight of time. Chasing dreams, I only hope our stars will soon align. Lately I've been searching for the truth I never find. Questions echo in my soul, the answers left behind. Feeling lost, I'm trying to find my way. The road ahead seems dark, but I won't be strayed. Every step's a story I see deep in my mind. Taking chances on this journey, leaving doubts behind. The stars may hide, but the light's a guide. Through the night I'll discover what I hold inside. Still feeling lost, my faith lights my way. Those shadows dead and I won't fade away. In this maze of dreams and tears, I stand and hold my ground. Hope is like a flame inside where courage can be found. I'm the author of this story, planet. With every verse we write, I'll gather a strand. Still feeling lost, but I'm carving my way. With beats and minds, I'll find a break day. And rhythm of the city, where silence rarely speaks, I find the beat to guide me, harmony.